I'm here with Rob from AirSource to answer some frequently asked questions. And one of the biggest questions I think, at least I've heard my friends ask, is how do we know when to replace a heating system? How do we know?
That's a great question, and we get that question a lot. The average life expectancy of a furnace or an air conditioner is 15 to 20 years. That's pretty average. There's a lot of things in there that are kind of figured in on that life expectancy, meaning, not just that it's still running, but the efficiencies have dropped and have now improved more. So yeah, the equipment's running. I kind of like to use things as like cars and say, yeah, I have a 1970s car. It still works getting me from point A to point B, but how much gas is it costing you to get there? Versus the new car that's getting 30 miles, 40 miles to the gallon. So that's the difference in our equipment today, and that's why 15, 20 years is kind of a point in where we're looking at.
Thank you. If you have any heating or air conditioning questions, call AirSource at 316-869-0198 or check out this website and like their Facebook page to get more answers to frequently asked questions that can save you money.